Hello students, standard 6th. We started revision of chapter number 1 in the last session. We are going to carry on with the revision. Write the following numbers in their expanded form. The first number is 5,72,308. Now, in expanded form, it means that we have to write down 5 into what is the place value. So, you know that as I explained you, that after that number, how many digits are that? That many 0 must be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5. So, 5 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus now 0 into 10, but 0 is not there, so you can skip that 0 also. So, or you can write down 0 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Let's take another one. Say so here 35 lakh 29,527. So is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 lakh plus 5 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So according to their place value, we have to multiply them with the 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. Third one, 5, 78, 95, 709. So here more, 10 lakh and then crore. So 5 into 7 zeros plus second digit is 7. 7 into 10 lakh plus 8 into lakh plus 9 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 7 into 100, 0 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So by this method we can write down their expanded form. Now we can take reverse. Write numbers from their expanded form. It means that it will be given like that and we have to write down the number according to that. First one, 8 multiplied by 1 lakh plus 4 multiplied by 10,000 plus 1 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So now here you can see that yeah, it is lakh. So here 8 lakh 40,000 plus another 1,000 means 41,679. 679. Take another one. 7 into 10 lakh plus 5 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So here 70 lakh plus 5 means 75 lakh. 20,000 and another 3,000, so 23,497. 497. Let's take one more. 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros plus 3 into 7 zeros plus 5 into 6 zeros plus 4 into 10,000 or that one plus 7 into plus 1 into plus 9 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So here you will see that That will be your number. So just first check that all the numbers are there. None of them is missing. Because if there is something missing, then you have to put 0 in that place. So by this way, you can write down expanded form, and from expanded form to the numbers also. Now write the smallest and the largest number using the given digits. Means some digits will be given. Using that digits and without repeating. Means if 5 digits are there, you have to make a 5 digits smallest number and 5 digits largest number. If there are 6 digits, you have to make 6 digits smallest number and the largest number. So let's take the first one. The digits are given 3, 9, 2, 5, 4 and 1. So now we will write down the smallest number and the largest number or the greatest number. So first we will write down smallest number. Smallest number means we have to start from the smallest digit. So here 1 is the smallest digit, second is 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. And greatest or largest number. So largest number will be reverse 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But be careful when one of the digit is given as 0. We will take one example like that also. Second one is 3, 6, 9, 0, 8, 7, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digits are given. So now we have to make a 7 digit smallest number and smallest digit 7 digit largest number. Now sometimes the students are making mistakes. In the last few tests also I saw when I checked that they don't think about 0. They only see that when you make the smallest number means the smallest digit must be in the beginning. But if you put 0 in the beginning, then it does not have any value. And therefore, if you write down the 7 digit smallest number starting with 0, then 0 is cancelled. So it is only a 6 digit number. So you can't start any number with 0. At the back you can put 0, but in the beginning, first the number don't start with 0. So we have to take the second number after that, means which is greater than 0. So now after 0, 0 is the smallest number, but we can't start with. So after 0, check which is the next bigger number than that. So that is the 3 here. So first you have to take 3 and then you can put 0. Then you will get the smallest number. Then others, as I explained you already. So then 5, then 6, 8, 7, 8 and 9. And then put your commas. So if you write down 0, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you will lose your marks. I saw in the last test when I asked like that, few students write down like that. They started with 0. Because smallest means starting from 0 or whatever, but that is not right. And in reverse order, also you have to remember, not exactly like that. In that 0 will be at the last. So 9876530. So that is very, very most important thing, that you remember it, that when there is a zero amongst the digits, then you can't write down it in the beginning, but you have to write down at the last. Let's take another 5, 6, 1, 8, 3, 0, 9. So here also we have to remember, when you write down smallest number, don't start with 0, start with 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We forgot the 0. So 1, 0, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. And largest number, starting from largest number, 9, 8, 6, 5, 3, 1 and last 0. That you should remember, otherwise we can make mistakes. Now another round off. The following numbers to the nearest hundreds. So now the nearest hundreds number we have to write down of the given number. Let's take 385. In this situation, we have to check that the nearest 100 is which number. For that, we have to check the last 2 digits. Now last 2 digits are, especially the second last digit. If it is 5 or more than 5, then you have to put both zeros and then add 1 in the third digit. Because you know that 385 is between 300 and 400. Because we are talking about hundreds. Now 385 is more this side or more this side. Because obviously it is that side. 350 is in the middle. 350 is between the both of them exactly. So now all the numbers after 350 will be more closer to 400, and before 350 all numbers are near 300. 350 is exactly at equidistant, so it is also taken as that side. So here you can see that 385 is more close to 400 because of that digit. So the nearest is the 400. Second, 7,249. Here also nearest hundreds, not thousand. Nearest 100. So now you can see that the second digit from the left side, from the right side, it is 4, which is less than 5. So now this number is between 7,200 and 7,300. Middle one is 7,250. So if it is on the side, then it is more closer to 7200. Doesn't matter it is one number, but it remain here. So the nearest hundreds of this will be 7200. Let's take more. 5783. So now you can see that second digit from the right side is 8, like that. So rather take 7. Then 7 is also more than 5. So we have to put last two digits as 0 and add 1 here. So it will be 58. So the answer is 5800. And similarly, as I told you that there is 5 also, like 9857. So here, if it is 5 also, you have to take that side. So you have to add 1. So 98 plus 1 will be 99. So 9900. Similarly, round off the following numbers. To the nearest thousands. It was hundreds, now thousands. Now what about this? 7, 8, 9, 7, 5. Now for 1000, we know that it is between 78,000 and 79,000. Here we check the second last digit. We have to check the third last digit. Means from the right side the third digit. If third digit is 5 or more than 5, then all the 3 digits at the last will be 0 and previous digit will be more 1. Means in place of 78, we can write down 79. So it is 79,000. $42,325. So now third digit is less than 5. So we will keep that one as it is and all the others are 0. Means it is more close to 42,000. Now interesting. What about 635? It is not even in thousand. What will we do now? So here, but you can see that there is the third last digit, which is 5 or more than 5. It means here if it is nothing, you can say it is 0. So it is more nearer, because look here, 0 to 1000. 0 to 1000. What is in the middle? 500. So now all the numbers to the right of 500 will be more close to 1000. It means the nearest 1000 is the 1000. But what about this now? $295. What is the round up of this number? Difficult? Yes, actually not difficult. But as I told you, if the number is left of the 500, it does not have any thousand nearest, so it is 0. So its nearest thousand is 0. That is the more thing that you have to remember. So here we are going to finish today's session. Will be followed by PDF, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.